Good morning, dear students of 4th class. Welcome back to all of you to your online classes after completion of your first term examination, and best of luck for your next second term periodic test exams. Wishing to all of you a very good day with love, peace, and care. Students, now I am going to start the syllabus of year's periodic test 2 with chapter number 8. Name: Water is Life. Dear students, kindly type your name, class, and roll number in the comment box. And now I am going to read the chapter from page number 46. The name of chapter is Water is Life. Can you name the source of water shown in the picture? Yes, dear student, this is the picture of canal. Now I'm going to read this chapter. Water is essential. Essential means important for all living being. That is humans, animal and plant. Water is used by human being for many activities like drinking, bathing, cooking food, cleaning and for watering plants and crops. Means water जो है use किया जाता है for drinking, bathing, cooking food, cleaning and watering plants and crops. This water gets polluted by various activities like washing of clothes, cleaning of utensils, dumping of industrial waste into water bodies. At some places, people also make the water dirty by throwing dead bodies into rivers. So students, water जो है वो polluted हो जाता है because of activities like washing of clothes, cleaning of utensils, dumping of industrial waste, and throwing dead bodies into river. With these activities, water become dirty. So because of these activities, water becomes dirty and polluted. This polluted water is not fit for our use and causes many problems. Some of such problems are listed below. तो जो polluted water है उससे होने वाली जो problems हैं, now we will discuss that. The first problem caused by the dirty and polluted water is polluted water can cause many diseases like jaundice, diarrhea, cholera and skin diseases. Water plants also becomes infected. Third problem, if polluted water is used for watering crops, the soil becomes infertile and crops also get damaged. And the fourth problem, fish and other water animal become sick and even die due to assimilation. Assimilation means mixing of polluted water. Assimilation of polluted water into seas and rivers. All these effects can be dangerous if we do not care. So it is very important to make water absolutely safe for drinking. If we consume means use. If we consume pure and fresh drinking water, we can prevent ourselves from getting waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases means the diseases that is caused by water, by polluted water. Purification of water. Students, see this picture. These all are the process of cleaning of purification of water. This is boiling of water. This is picture of filter. That is, filter is used to pure the water. And this is water treatment plant. Water collected from open sources like wells, rivers, streams and lakes can be made safe at home by using the following steps. So water को जो प्योर करने के लिए हम इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. Like first is boiling. Boiling kill the germs prevent in water. Water should be boiled for 15 to 20 minutes in a container and then cooled before drinking. And the second step of purification of water is filtration. Water contains solid impurities like dirt. These can be removed by using filters. जो solid impurities हैं इनको solid impurities like dirt इनको remove करने के लिए filter का use किया जाता है. Sometimes people use fine cloth to filter water. Fine cloth is also used to filter the water. This method of filtration is not good as it removes only big particles and not the tiny harmful germs. These germs can be removed by boiling and then filtering with fine filters. Means boiling and filtration both are necessary for pure water. Third, using chemicals. Students, chemicals are also used to make the water pure. Chemical like chlorine, bleaching powder, potassium permanganate are added to water to kill germs. तो ये जो क्लोरीन, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, पोटाशियम परमंगनेट है ये जर्म्स को किल कर देते हैं जो वाटर में मौजूद होते हैं. द एडिशन ऑफ क्लोरीन टू वाटर इज नोन एज chlorination of water. The tap water that comes to our home in cities and town is supplied by public water supply system. तो जो हमारे घरों में पानी आता है वो पब्लिक वाटर सप्लाई सिस्टम के थ्रू आता है और ये सिस्टम इस पिक्चर में शो किया गया है. वाटर बॉडीज से होता हुआ क्लीनिंग होता है वाटर, देन टैंक में आता है, देन इट कम्स टू आवर होम. This water is purified in a water treatment plant before it supplied to our home. Next, this is the activity to make a water filter. Okay, so read this activity and try to do this activity at home. Next, water conservation. Water is very useful. We must not waste it because fresh water is limited in supply. Many industries use a large amount of water. A lot of water also used for irrigation crops. People are digging well deep into the ground to extract groundwater for their use. As a result, the underground water level is going down rapidly. Water is nature's gift to all of us. We must not deprive others of their need for water by wasting it. Hence, water conservation is very important for us. Student, water conservation means we should save water and we should never waste the water. Okay, next there are some terms. Learn these terms. First is conservation of waters. Saving water by avoiding its wastage. पानी को वेस्ट किए बिना हमने उसको सेव करना है. That is conservation of water. Next, pollutant. A substance that pollute water, air and land. तो जो चीज़ें एयर, वाटर एंड लैंड को पोल्यूट करती हैं दैट इज कोल्ड पोल्यूटेंट. वाटर बोर्न डिजीजेज स्प्रेड बाय डर्टी वाटर सच एज कोलरा. तो जो डिजीजेज डर्टी वाटर के द्वारा होती हैं दोज आर कोल्ड वाटर बोर्न डिजीजेज. Thank you students. This is all the reading of your chapter number 8. Water is life. And in the next video I will provide you the solution of back exercise. Best of luck students. Thank you. Have a nice day.